Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So I saw a post on Facebook yesterday. Someone was asking how you change the cabin filter in a Tesla Model S, and they also had a 2014 Model S, the same as this one. So I thought I'd make this video because it's an incredibly simple job to do. You don't need any tools, and you certainly don't need to take it to Tesla to do a job like this. So first off, I need to open the bonnet, and you can actually see the cabin filter. It's just there. So what you've got to do is get this plastic tray out, well, the plastic cover out. It hooks round the edge here of the strut, but you can just bend it and hook it out. Of course, it is rather difficult doing this one-handed, so I think I'm just going to lift the put the camera down and so I can get both hands on it. But yeah, you just twist this. There's no clips as such. That hooks around the bottom of the strut on both sides, so a bit of bending and twisting, and that comes out just fine. And there's your cabin filter. It's just a case of removing the cover there, and there's your filter. It's as simple as that. It really is a 2-minute job. So yeah, the dirty side is at the bottom, so if it's got arrows, then you want the arrows pointing up. And these cabin filters, you don't need to go to Tesla for it. This one is a Bosch one. Part number is 19874355569. But they're just bog standard filters, so there's plenty of places to get them from. I think that one I got on AutoDoc, so I'll put the link in the description below if you want to buy one from them. And obviously the installation is just the reverse. Very, very simple. Just make sure that that is nicely clipped back, and then when you put this cover back, you're going to just make sure that it is round the water bottle correctly and hooked in down there on both sides, and then a little tap, that will all go back in place just fine. So yeah, really is only a 5-minute job. No tools needed whatsoever apart from your fingers. So if you found this video useful and it's helped, then please do click that thumbs up button on YouTube, because that really does help. And do subscribe if you haven't, and plenty of other EV videos on the channel as well.